I'm Lewis with BMW Manhattan, and this is your Snak Pak on the BMW X1, BMW's smallest yet most dynamic sports activity vehicle. With a standard power tailgate, available LED headlights, and standard frontal collision and lane departure warnings, that's just the tip of this small iceberg. Inside the X1, it's all about features and functions. You have available slide or recline rear seats, which either give more comfort to your rear passengers or increase your luggage capacity. You also have available Harman Kardon sound system for you audiophiles and available sport seats for you more enthusiastic drivers. BMW's iDrive 6.0 with an 8.8-inch touchscreen display is standard on the X1, and with the premium package you have an available panoramic moonroof, BMW's head-up display for convenience while driving, and heated front seats. Speaking of you enthusiastic drivers, there is an available M Sport package which is going to give you different front, rear bumpers, body-colored overhangs, and different wheels. That's going to wrap it up for your Snak Pak on the BMW X1. Be sure to follow us on all of our social channels, Bmwnyc on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.